Hi, I'm Josh Gilmore with the Short Circuits, and I want to introduce the decom bots. The decom bots are a complete first response solution for fuel spills. We offer scouting, fire response, containment, and liquid and residual cleanup. Our drone swarm allows for a quick response. A normal first responder team has to be notified, arrive, and then assess the situation. Our drone swarms can skip directly to assessment and start immediately. We also allow for a safer response. Since our drones are operated remotely, they keep the workers at a safe distance. Our first drone is the Eye in the Sky. It features motor redundancy, so if a motor fails, it will not crash. It can be flown back to a safe area and landed. It also features a camera and a gimbal system for better reconnaissance, and it features a lower explosive limit monitor, allowing the workers to have a better assessment of their situation. Now let's introduce the rest of the team and the robots they've designed.
Hi, I'm James Thornburg. I'm here presenting the Crown Robot. This robot maneuvers around your fuel spills on tracks while it's laying out a 100-foot continuous barrier. This is a great way to contain your fuel spills so it does not get any bigger. And what's best is when the fuel spill is all cleaned up, the barrier retracts back on the spool of the Corral robot and is ready for your next spill you may have.
Hi, my name is Abdul, and this is the operation of my sugar robot. The robot has a continuous monitoring system at the surface level with an ultrasonic sensor. Right here. And when this sensor detects the amount of fuel spill is more than the threshold, the system sends a signal to the servo motor to rotate to a starting operation, where the suction pump becomes active. If the sensor monitors the fuel spill drop, it communicates again to the system to turn off the suction pump and then rotate the servo motor back to their starting position.
Hey, I'm Ryan, and this is my scrubber bot. And for how it works, for movement, I decided to use treads because they're more useful for traversing rough terrain. The treads are controlled through an IR sensor, which has infrared mapping on buttons that control the movement. In the back, we have a dropper, which drops the polymer, which when it reacts with the oil, will create a waste substance that's more easier to pick up. When we're out of polymer, there's a light sensor at the bottom of the dropper, which will determine that there's more light, so it will lower the header, and the header will shred up the waste product and push it through the funnel into the waste bin. After the collection is done, it has to be manually emptied, and that's how my robot works.
So, like the Short Circuits, the decom bots make a great team. I won't bore you with this wall of text. I'll show you a graphical example. So here we have the Eye in the Sky assessing the situation. The cooldown bot is responding to a fire. The Corral bot is already isolating the spill, containing it, not allowing it to spread any further. The Sauger is cleaning up the gross liquids, and the Scrubber bot is cleaning up the residual fuels. So you will know our worth. Environmental cleanup is very costly and time consuming, so it's best to spend money up front to contain and quickly clean the spill. While these robots are not unique, the system is. The ruggedized design also allows them to respond in any terrain and handle the corrosive fuels. So the decom bots are the best solution to the worst problem. Thank you for your time.